Hi, everybody, and welcome to Pyxa AI Dashboard. I'm going to show you how to navigate the dashboard and find some really good information on how to get to some of the tools in your dashboard and the other features that it has on the dashboard. So when you log in, you're going to be here on the dashboard. And on the dashboard, you can actually do some great things. Like, for instance, on the dashboard, if you want to change your mode from dark to a white, you can just basically click on the moon and it will change automatically to that setting. So here's dark mode and here's light mode. You also have notifications. So if the platform has any updates or any information that you need to know, it will be in the notifications. You also have access, if you go to this little circle here, access of your account information. So it will show your name, it will show your email, and it will show you words that you have left over, like credits for that, and images if you're on that type of unlimited plan. If you want to see more about your plan, just click on that and you can actually see all the information about your plan. And if you have a lower tier plan, you can actually upgrade, okay? You also have access to, on the dashboard, is a two-factor authorization. So if you want to secure your account more, you can do that. You also have access to the plan orders. So for instance, if you are on one plan and you decide to upgrade, this will show you all the receipts and all your orders, okay? I also have settings. You can access your settings. This is where you will put all your information in, your personal information, basically your name, your address, email, and if you want to change your password, you have access to do that here, okay? All right, let's get back to the dashboard. And also you can log in and out from the dashboard from that one. So you also have on the dashboard is shortcuts to your AI assistant, your plan, your overview, your favorites, and recent documents. And these shortcuts are going to take you to down here, which I'll show you in a second. You also have add-ons. So if there's any additional add-ons that you want to add to your account, you can just click on add-on. It'll take you there. And this will take you to your documents. So all your documents, if you've done videos, you've done images, you've done blogs, that will be all in here. And the great thing about the dashboard is that you can get to your docs in multiple different ways. You can go up here and get access to your docs. You can go here and get access to your docs. And you can also create new docs from here and here. So you have access on the dashboard to do that. Okay. So you also have on the dashboard will show you what kind of plan that you want. So if your plan does refill every year, it's going to count down and show you how many days you have left in that plan before it starts to renew that and refill your plan. Again, you can see all the credits on here and you can actually do upgrades. It also has your basic information here that shows you overview of how many credits you have, as well as how text images you've created. I'm sorry, text and images you have created. Okay. You have access to your favorites here. So if you are working on a document and you want to get to that document fast, say you done it like a month ago, but you're still working on it, you can actually put it in favorites and then you can save it here and have access to it. Okay. You also have access to your recent docs. Now, the recent docs is stuff that you've created new, and this is going to go from old to new. So the top is going to be new and the bottom is going to be old. Okay, so that's one reason why you would use favorites. But you have like 30 or 40 docs in here, and there's one particular one, and you've done it like, again, 2 months ago. You can put that in your favorites. So again, this is old to new. Okay. Also on the dashboard, you have access to all of your tools on the side. And I will be doing some more tutorial videos on how to use a lot of these tools and suites. So that way you can get familiarized on how to use this platform. Okay. But again, you have access to all of your tools in this platform to make it easy for you on the side of the dashboard, and it makes it a lot easier. And again, it also shows you how many words if you have and how many images if you're on a plan that allows you to do a certain amount instead of unlimited. Okay. And that's pretty much about the dashboard. It's very simple. Pyxa AI is a great tool that you can use to do multiple things using AI. Okay, so this is basically a review of the dashboard, and I hope you enjoy it, and I will see you on the next video.